Hi everybody, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can cut a template like this. Like I have drawn my map of Africa here. Let me get a template for you and I show you how it is done. So you get a finished part like this one. As you see, it is a map of Africa and you put it in the place where you want to draw it from. Then after, you get a pen and you redirect all the places, all the borders where it's going to pass. Then after, you remove it, put it aside, you get a jigsaw. This is what we call a jigsaw. This is how it operates. This is its switch. It is the plate. Then you put it close to where you're going to cut. So now, so far, this is the part which I have cut, and I'm going, as you see it going, and now here we go. As you see it going, just a little piece, just to cut remaining to the Northern Sahara. Now here we go. As you can see, now as you can see, just a few piece remaining. Upper there is a cover thing there. That's what we're going to cut now. Like as you see, now the down part, all of it is somehow perfect. So now this is our finished part, the map of Africa, resembling the same thing that we made at first. As you can see, thank you everybody for watching. I love you.